is it so hard to let you go? You
Good morning, squad. How is everyone doing today? And welcome back to another brand new daily vlog. It is the next day of the snowstorm, and wow, the snow we've gotten so far is incredible. I'm going to show you guys the snow right now. I might actually bring you guys along with me outside. The snow that we got accumulated, holy, I think that's the most snow that we've gotten in about since the whole 2021 started. I am outside and look at this snow. I'm actually just having a hard time walking through it. Snowplow just took that out of the parking lot and it's still snowing. Now I have to go get my papers. Wow. Now this is what I call a snowstorm. I love it. It's good weather. This is fantastic weather. Now I'm going to start shoveling. So, wow. Might have to go to Maple City Bakery in a hurry because my. I'm sure that's going to continue today.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Why is it so hard to let you go? You go.
Home after getting some Paczki because it's Paczki day today. I went to do my newspapers, then came back, went to Tim Hortons, get coffee of course, and at the same time I got breakfast. So I got breakfast, coffee, and then now my dessert because we're gonna get fat. We're gonna get fat, even more. So I'll show you guys my Paczkis. Here is the Paczkis. Oh my god, I cannot wait to dive into this. Maybe I'll actually, maybe I'll take a bite in the vlog for you guys. Do you guys like glaze or powdered? Let me know. And the smell that's coming out of these Paczkis are mind-boggling. Look at these. And you have to eat them today. What I've learned with Paczkis, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Paczkis or Penskis. One thing I've learned about these is that you have to eat them today or else they'll get really like hard and they won't taste good the next day. But we're gonna eat them right now for you guys. So which one should I take? I think this one looks, I like the glaze one, but I think this is a raspberry one. Oh, it smells so fresh. Let's try this. Oh my god. It's so good. Oh. Yeah. Raspberry. So good. So fresh. The filling is amazing. Happy Paczki Day today. Sure where I actually left off from the vlog, but it's 6:25 right now, and I think the last time I vlogged was this morning when we came back from Maple City Bakery and Tim Hortons, and I actually had a Paczki, and I tried it on the vlog for you guys, and oh my god, today I've had 3 Paczkis. I'm Paczki out. It was good though. I'm good for the day. For dinner, I'm going to have a salad with some ground beef. So I'm going to have my protein and some vegetables. I think I need that. So with all the things that I ate today, I need to start eating a little bit healthier. I think I'm going to start a fast tonight. If I'm going to do a fast, I'll probably do from 8 to 12 tomorrow. That way it kind of like gives me 16 hours, and instead of eating at 1 tomorrow, I can eat an hour early. And I still did a 16-hour fast. I haven't fasted in a few days now. I think last time I had fast was 5 days ago. So tonight will definitely be a fasting night. I'm going to eat plenty of vegetables, fill me up for the night, and I'm going to start editing more reviews because I edited the Eggo chocolate cereal. So that will be up this Saturday. So I'm still behind on the vlogs, so by the time you see this vlog, that review will be up. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to the Eggo cereal in the top of the description. I haven't yet taken the survey. I really would appreciate it if you guys can take 2 minutes and fill in the survey. Feedback is always greatly appreciated. Let's go downstairs and make a salad. It is 9:09. I just got done doing the dishes. I did about 2 loads of laundry, including 2 blankets, and I came upstairs. I was going to have my tea because I made a chai tea, the Tim Hortons chai tea. You guys know I've been hooked on it lately. So I've been hooked on that. I was going to drink my tea, and I noticed I wasn't feeling that great. So I checked my blood because I don't really check my blood that often anymore like I used to. And thankfully I did check my blood because 4.7. It is kind of low, but it's not really extremely low. But, you know, just to be on the safe side, I might eat a little something. I was going to do a fast, but I guess I'm not. So I'm going to go downstairs and grab something to eat. A little healthy snack. So I might do an apple. An apple? I actually had a salad for dinner with some ground beef. And I thought that would fill me up, but I guess not. This salad was huge too. So I might have to go downstairs and make something quick. So right now the vlog 12, or not really vlog 12, but vlog 42, which is February 11th, which is last week Thursday. So I'm like 1, 2, 3. Now I'm actually way behind now. I'm like 5 days behind. So I do appreciate those who still stick around, regardless if the vlog isn't consistent like the day of. But I do appreciate your feedback, everyone's feedback. It's greatly appreciated. Like I said, let's go downstairs and make a quick snack. Snack, I thought I would make this bowl of cereal. This is the Fiber One Honey Clusters. These are my favorite cereal. So if you need some fiber, definitely get the Fiber One. They're really good, the Honey Clusters. Now it is 12:48. I'm not sure exactly where I actually left off the vlog, but I'm going to wrap the vlog here. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog. As always, if you guys did, and you guys want to show your support for me doing these vlogs for you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe as always, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a vlog. And don't forget to take that 2-minute survey. I'll put that link in the top of the description. All my links to all my social media in the description as well. So till tomorrow, peace out.